Hi, it's Carly McAvoy. I just want to explain to you about a stem and leaf plot. A stem and leaf plot is one way to organize data. This is an example from the website Math is Fun, but they have a list of numbers here and they've already got them in order from least to greatest. And then they say, well, we have a stem over here, and the stem in this case represents the tens because the greatest value of any of these numbers is in the tens place. So the stem is the tens place, and then the leaf, it represents the ones place. And so we then go, well, we have a stem of 1, we have a stem of 2, we have a stem of 3, and we have a stem of 4. So we have 4 different numbers that go into our stem column. For our leaves, then we look at the 15 and 16. So 5 is a leaf and 6. So if you were to read this, you would say, I know I have 15 and 16. It's just a way to look at that. You can see here, well, they say, how would you place number 32 in here? 32 is represented in the 3 stem and as a 2 leaf. This value right next to it would be 30. This is 21, 23, 23 again, 26 again, and 26 again. So that's how we organize into a stem and leaf. So another example here is if in the steps, you start with a data set, which I have right here. It helps to rearrange those into chronological order before you start because it's going to make it easier. What we can see here is that our largest digit is in the hundreds place. So our hundreds is our largest value. So in this case, our stem is the hundreds. And we have 100s, 200s, and 300s. And then I put into my second column the tens because that's my other number that I have here. So 110 looks like 1, 1. 120 is 1, 2. 110, 120. 150, 160. That's how those go in there. If I have the same number twice, I put that twice in my table. So I have 2 and 0, that's 200. 2 and 7 is 270. And then you can see how the ones played out. Notice that I always want to make sure that my leaves are in chronological order and my stems are in chronological order going down. Have a great day.